Hey fellow developers, ever built a Flutter app that starts off smooth but gets slower over time? Maybe animations lag, scrolling feels choppy, or the UI stutter. If your app isn't optimized, users notice and they leave. Let's fix that with simple but powerful performance techniques to keep your Flutter app running fast and smooth. A slow app means frustrated users. A well-optimized app means better retention, smoother UI, and higher ratings. But Flutter is powerful, so why do some apps still lag? The truth is, small mistakes in widget rebuilding, animations, and state management can drain performance. The good news? These issues are easy to fix once you know what to look for. Avoid unnecessary widget rebuilds. Widgets rebuilding too often? That's one of the biggest reasons for lag. A simple fix: use const wherever possible. This prevents unnecessary redraws and improves performance instantly. Choose the right state management. Managing state the wrong way leads to constant UI refreshes. Provider, Riverpod, and Bloc all have different benefits. Picking the right one keeps your app responsive and efficient. Optimize list with lazy loading. Displaying a huge list? Don't use ListView. Instead, use ListView.builder, so only the visible items get rendered. This prevents memory overload and keeps scrolling buttery smooth. Keep animations smooth. Avoid using unnecessary set state for animations. Use Flutter's AnimationController with Ticker Provider instead. It keeps animations fluid and efficient without overloading the UI thread. Debug and optimize with Flutter DevTools. Still seeing lag? Flutter DevTools is your best friend. Run your app in profile mode and use DevTools to track slow rebuilds, high memory usage, and frame drops. Here's a tip that many developers overlook. Always test performance in profile mode, not debug mode. Because debug mode is slower by default, so if you're testing there, you're not getting the real picture. Switch to profile mode and see the actual performance of your app. Want to dive deeper? Check out the official docs at flutter.dev for more details. If you found this useful, hit the like button to support the channel. Subscribe for more Flutter tips and tricks, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Got questions or suggestions? Drop a comment below. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.